How to fix Asus router not connecting to internet. First, restart the modem and router. This is the restart order. Turn off the modem, turn off the Asus router. Wait 60 seconds, and then turn on the modem first. Wait until modem light stabilize, and then turn on the Asus router. Wait 2 to 5 minutes. Step 2. Check the WAN or internet cable. The Ethernet cable from the modem must go into the WAN port on the Asus router, not a LAN port. The WAN port is usually blue, labeled internet, or separated from LAN ports. Step 3. Check the router lights. While a blue WAN light means the internet is collected, red means there's no internet, a blinking light means it's connecting, and no light means there's no power. Step 4. Test internet directly from the modem. This tells you if the ISP is down or the Asus router is the problem. So disconnect the Asus router, connect your PC directly to the modem, and test internet access. If the internet works, the Asus router is broken. If the internet is still broken, it's an ISP or modem issue. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.